A 4K night vision camera under $100 sounds almost too good to be true. Today, I'm unboxing this budget-friendly night vision camera, going over its features, build quality, and who it might be perfect for. If you're looking for an affordable night vision camera, this might be a great choice, or maybe not. Let's find out. Alright, let's open it up and see what we get. Let me grab my trusty Letterman CX tool, skeleton tool. Let's open it up. Ah, this feels good. All right. Box looks very nice. When you open it, you're greeted with this card. Says 2024 Muse Design Platinum Award. Pretty cool. That's a good sign. I don't know what Muse Design is, but I'm sure something critical and important. All right, there's this little see-through paper. It basically tells you what's a lens, what's a focus ring, backlight switch, tactical light switch, power on off, infrared light switch, menu, OK button, zoom in and up, zoom out and down. Night vision user manual. Very cool. Very nice user manual, you guys. Printed on a really nice paper. All right, we'll dive into this some other time. A little pouch. Very nice touch. Things are not just thrown in there. And here's the mighty Type-C cable, Type-C to USB. I'm glad it's not a micro USB like some other stuff. And here's a hard case. I assume camera's in the hard case. And check this out. A beautiful, beautiful strap, back strap to connect the camera. There are quick connections on them. There's a smell to it. Smells like rubber. Outside is neoprene. Very nice. This is not going anywhere when you wear it on your neck. All right, let's put this box aside. Put this accessories aside. All right, let's look at what's in the hard case. Comes with a protective cushioning. 32 gigabyte SD card. And here's the camera. Oh, wow. I like this hard case, you guys. Let's put this aside. Let's focus on our camera itself. Very nice. Kind of like a binocular, kind of like a goggle design. It has a screen over here. Now let's take a closer look at the camera. Compact, lightweight design. It's really easy to hold, not too bulky. A 3-inch LCD screen. Nice size, should make it easy to navigate the menus. Buttons and controls feels simple. Nothing complicated. Infrared, oh wow. As soon as I press it, boom, comes right on. And of course, we're not gonna try it on right at this moment. All the buttons are light up, as you see. Adjustments are on top, super easy. You press on it, it turns off with a nice animation. Controls are right here. Covered, it says far, near, infrared adjustment. I think this is stable, it doesn't move anywhere, it's just a design right here. And buttons on top. It says night vision right up here. This is very cool. Input 5 volt, 2 amp. And here are little loops to connect the lanyard or the neck strap. Okay, this part opens up to put the micro SD card in it, and also Type-C charging is right up here. I'm going to go ahead and put the SD card in this. It's a regular SD card, 32 gigabyte. And again, here's the Type-C port for charging. Nothing complicated. This is extremely beginner-friendly, user-friendly device, you guys. And I like the construction. I like this part goes to your face is soft rubber. I think you can almost look at it with the glasses. Or without the glasses, but it's not going to seal to your face. It's more like holding it like this and looking at the screen. As you see, this is not going to seal your face like those DJI Goggle N3 goggles I did earlier this year. Anyways, this is an extremely nice Night Vision 4K camera. Now let's take a closer look at the camera itself. It's compact, lightweight design, easy to hold, not too bulky, 3-inch LCD screen, nice size, should make it easy to navigate menus, buttons, and controls feel simple. Looks beginner friendly, nothing complicated. Infrared night vision, we'll have to see how good it actually is. But the specs claim up to 3,280 feet of visibility, 4K video, and 40 megapixel photo capability. That's impressive for this price. But real-world results will tell the full story. On paper, this sounds great. 4K video night vision and a long battery life, but specs don't always tell the full story. So who would this camera be a good fit for? Beginners. If you never used a night vision camera before, this could be an easy way to get started. Casual users, if you just need something for fun, kind of like myself, like spotting wildlife at night, this might be perfect. Budget conscious buyers, not everyone needs a $500 plus night vision setup. If you just want to try a night vision without spending too much, this is a low risk option. Who is this not for? Serious professionals. If you need ultra crisp night vision for security or professional filming, you might want to invest into something higher end. People expecting cinema quality, 4K, at this price point, the 4K might not be the same as high-end cameras. Keep your expectations realistic. So after unboxing and checking out, do I think this budget night vision camera is worth considering? Let's talk about the pros. Affordable. For under $100, it's a low-cost way to try night vision. Easy to use, the menu and controls look simple enough for beginners. Comes with accessories, memory cards, strap, and case included. No extra spending needed. So let's talk about some of the cons. Plastic build, it's lightweight, but I wouldn't call it premium. Specs look good on paper, but real performance is unknown. I need to test it in real conditions to say for sure. What do you think? Would you try this budget-friendly night vision camera, or do you prefer something more high-end? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech reviews and unboxings. See you in the next Teos Take video.